Hello, Namaste, welcome to Sayam Yoga. I am Anmol and today in this video we are going to do a 10 minutes morning yoga stretch for the beginners. So if you are new into the journey of yoga, you're most welcome. All you need is a good intention and a mat to just begin the practice. If you're not comfortable and you want to do this practice on your bed also, you can actually start the day from there and then slowly come back to the mat. Also, like when we wake up in the morning, sometime we feel a lot of tension, stiffness, or some muscle pain around our neck, shoulder, back, lower back, legs. So this session is specially designed, so if you practice in the morning, this session will relax you down, activate your muscles and prepare you for the rest of the day, rejuvenate your body and restore all the good emotions that you want to kickstart the day. So let's get into the video. Let's start the practice. I hope you are following along with me. So I would love to see you all practicing. You can share your practicing picture, your questions, your doubt to my email or this WhatsApp number to join a online yoga batch. Let's get into the video and quickly start the session. Coming to the mat, gently breathe in, breathe out. So if you're starting from the bed or from the mat, no problem. Just after waking up, gently lay down on your mat, take longer, deeper breath. Prepare to activate your body. Inhale and exhale. One more long deep breath as you inhale. Fill your belly like a balloon. And as you exhale, empty your stomach, relax yourself. Gently bend the knees, breathe in and out. Keep your right leg over the left leg. Catch the hands to the left thighs and just gently press the leg towards you. You're going to feel a very good smooth stretch around your psoas muscles, hip muscles and your inner thighs of the right leg. Hold here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Now gently drop the right leg, left leg and the right leg. We are going to switch to the other side. So press the left leg this time towards the right and catch the right leg. Press it. Keep working on your breath. Feel a very gentle stretch. Inhale and exhale. If you have long sitting hours at the office, this stretch is going to give you a very good relaxation. And slowly release. Breathe in, breathe out, keeping both the legs at a slight distance and just move the leg sideways. So you're moving towards the left side and then towards the right side. This is just to activate moving left and right, left and right, left and right. Activate your body. Gently come center, lift both the legs, catch your leg hands to the knee and just you're going to rotate the knees. So with the support, just gently make circle with the knee. And 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Go according to your speed. There's no hurry. Not necessary to make a certain amount of circle. Just relax and bend both the knees. Catch your hands and press it towards your belly. If this is you're finding too much, you can just catch your hand towards the shin bone and press gently. Rest your elbow down. The intention is to give a gentle pressure to the belly so that the lower back rests on the mat. Breathe in, breathe out. And now gently release the leg on the mat. Now taking the right leg up at the 90 degree and move your ankle. So pointing the toe, pressing towards yourself. Pointing the toe, pressing towards yourself. 3, 4, and 5. Keep it in the center and make circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Breathe in, breathe out. Now catch the hands towards your knee or your shin bone or your ankle, wherever you feel, and just press the leg. The intention is to feel the stretch towards the back of the leg. So you can catch it here or here, wherever you feel comfortable in. A gentle pressure and stay. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly breathe in out, relax the leg. We're gonna do the same with the left leg. So lift it to the 90 degree, and now first start pointing the toe up and down towards yourself. Up and down. 3, 4, and 5. We start making circles. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we go anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Now again the same. Catch it and press towards yourself. As in when you're comfortable. Breathe in out. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Breathe in out. Relax both the legs. Inhale and exhale. Both the legs open in the butterfly. And let the knees open as much as possible. A great stretch towards the pelvic area. Taking 3 longer deep breaths. Slowly bring the knees together. Turn towards the right side and gently with the support, come back. Coming to any sitting posture you are comfortable in, either a Vajrasana or Sukhasana, Padmasana, whichever you are comfortable in. Breathe in, breathe out, inhale and exhale. As you are just taken a vertical movement of the spine, give some time to the body to take a deep breath, to feel all the 7 chakras aligning, making a straight spine. Breathe in and out. Inhale to slowly lift your both the hands up, to open up your chest and to extend your shoulders all the way up. Breathe in, breathe out. To another breathe out, exhale and bend forward. You do not need to touch the mat, just take the support and slowly walk all the way down. Walking and walking all the way down. Drop the head down. Inhale to lift your head up. Coming back to the center. And again, extend your arms up over the head. And exhale to twist your spine. So your right hand goes back, left hand towards the knee. Twist and look back. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to lift your arms up. As you exhale, move to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, lift, look up, and gently press the hands backward to open your chest more. A very good opening of the thoracic. And as you exhale, hunch your back, make the curve in your spine. We go one more time to inhale and press the hands back. Exhale, making the curve. And gently come center. Now both the hands to your knees and just gently move your shoulders into a clockwise direction. And for a few rounds anti-clockwise. Relax, breathe in, breathe out, inhale and exhale. You already started to breathe more evenly. So for the next, extend your arms straight, lift your right hand up and left hand from down. Now try to catch your hands at the back. If you are able to catch the hands, that's well and good. If not, then the intention is to just feel that rotation of the shoulder. You can just keep it here or catch your t-shirt and try to go all the way up. Whichever works for you, just stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're gonna change, coming to the center, this time going the other way. And stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release the hands. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. I hope you're feeling much better and ready to start the day with all the positivity. Let's do 3 rounds of Om chanting to sum up the session. Sitting cross-legged, both the hands Gyan Mudra, eyes closed, shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath in. Gently rub your palms. Place it over your eyes. Roll your hands down, joining at the heart center. Bow down and thanks to the Mother Earth, thanks to the surrounding, thanks to your body and mind, and gently open your eyes. Be grateful for today, for this practice, and be very proud of yourself that you choose to be here to practice till the end. And I'm really very grateful for you as well. Thank you so much for joining Sayam Yoga. Thank you so much for joining to this practice. Do subscribe, like, share and comment to the channel for more such videos. And I wish you a very, very good health and a very positive day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.